for you. Bitcoin nearing $10,000. The crypto has been in stealth rally mode since early April. So what is going on here? Our own Bob Bassani breaks it all down. Hi, Bob.
The recent low for Bitcoin was $6,600 on April 5th, but since then, Bitcoin's up 45%. It sold off going into mid-April. Many attributed this to tax selling pressure, since some holders may have to sell their coin to pay taxes. The real turnaround occurred on April 12th, just before tax day. Bitcoin surged 17% on heavy volume.
Obviously, it's changed. This is a little bit old, but we'll let them continue.
Despite regulatory setbacks, Bitcoin's been gaining respectability this year. Volume has been increasing slowly in the Bitcoin futures contract, and Bitcoin was up another 7% this week as the New York Times reported that Goldman Sachs would soon be trading Bitcoin futures. And today, Coinbase announced it was allowing higher limits and instant trading to their accounts. There'll be additional security also to help prevent unauthorized sends of digital currency. Finally, for those of you who want to trade technicals, more positive news. In the last week or so, Bitcoin broke a descending trend line. Since January, there's been a series of lower highs put in. That's a negative trend, but that downtrend has now been broken. Back to you, Melissa.
All right. Thank you very much, Bob Bassani.
So it did not break 10,000 this weekend. It's pretty unfortunate, but I'm not really worried about it. The Goldman Sachs news was still very, very positive. I have future videos about that if you're really interested, and I kind of go and talk about why Goldman's involvement with cryptocurrency is one of the best things, other than an actual like ETF being set up for the cryptocurrency market. So we do have a little dip right now. I'm not worried about it, and obviously, personally, I'm hoping it goes down a little more so I can buy. I haven't been making purchases since the beginning of April. Kind of been just watching. So if the price continues to go down, I would highly recommend people taking a look and getting involved with getting into the market. I've already invested a good amount, so if it goes up to the moon, I'm okay with it. Obviously, I have capital reserves, and I'm hoping to buy a little more crypto if it does dip, especially if it goes below 400 billion market cap. I'd like to buy, and if it goes below 300 billion, I'm going to keep buying as it dips. But I have not made a purchase since the early April, so I'm just sitting and waiting and hoping that if this dip becomes more serious, I'll make a move. If not, I'm not worried about it. But let me know what you guys think, and I will talk to you guys soon.